Top 5 foods to support your kidneys. Let's explore 5 categories of foods that are often highlighted in a kidney-friendly diet designed to be gentler on your kidneys and packed with beneficial nutrients. The power of berries. Antioxidant superstars. First up, let's talk about berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, and raspberries. These vibrant fruits are true antioxidant powerhouses. Why are antioxidants so important for kidney health? They help protect your body's cells, including kidney cells, from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are factors that can contribute to kidney decline. Berries are also generally lower in potassium compared to some other fruits, making them a safer choice for many individuals with kidney concerns. 2. Red bell peppers, a nutrient-rich, kidney-friendly vegetable. Next, we have red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are an excellent choice for kidney health. They are remarkably low in potassium, which is often a concern for people with impaired kidney function. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C and a good source of vitamin B6 and folic acid. They also contain an antioxidant called lycopene. They add a wonderful crunch and sweetness to salads, stir-fries, or even as a snack with a healthy dip. 3. Egg whites, high quality. Protein, low phosphorus. Our third food category focuses on egg whites. Protein is vital for maintaining muscle mass and overall bodily functions. However, for people with kidney disease, managing phosphorus intake is crucial, as too much phosphorus can lead to bone problems. Egg whites are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, but crucially, they are significantly lower in phosphorus than egg yolks or many other protein sources. 4. Olive oil, a healthy fat for kidney well-being. Moving on, let's talk about healthy fats, specifically olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a monounsaturated fat that provides beneficial oleic acid, along with antioxidant compounds called polyphenols. These components contribute to olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can be a factor in the progression of kidney disease, so incorporating healthy fats like olive oil into your diet can be beneficial. 5. Cauliflower, a versatile, kidney-friendly starch alternative. Finally, we have cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is often celebrated in kidney-friendly diets for several reasons. It's low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making it a safe choice for many. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, as well as fiber. What makes it particularly useful is its ability to be transformed into various dishes.